What if I told you 2025 could be the year you rewrite your financial story and achieve life-changing wealth through crypto? The strategies I'm about to share aren't just guesses, they're proven blueprints that smart investors are already preparing for. Stay tuned because this could be the most important video watch this year. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Zawal, and I'm here to help you navigate the exciting, sometimes overwhelming, world of cryptocurrency. Today, I'm giving you a step-by-step guide to get rich with crypto in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been dabbling for a while, this video will give you actionable insights you can start working on today. So grab a notebook, because you're going to want to take notes. Let's set the stage. The crypto world in 2025 will be shaped by four major trends. Regulation. Governments are moving towards clearer regulations. While this may seem like a hurdle, it's a sign of growing legitimacy and will bring more institutional money into the space. Blockchain utility. Beyond just currency, blockchains are powering industries like gaming, healthcare, and supply chains. AI and crypto convergence. Artificial intelligence is merging with crypto, creating smarter ways to analyze markets and execute trades. The halving effect. Bitcoin's halving in 2024 will likely lead to a bull market in 2025, as has happened historically. Understanding these trends will prepare you to ride the waves instead of being swept under them. Now, here's the part you've been waiting for. The blueprint. Step 1. Master the basics. If you don't understand what blockchain, DeFi, or NFTs are, now is the time to learn. Free resources like YouTube, Udemy, and Twitter Spaces are goldmines. Step 2. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into Bitcoin or a single altcoin. Core holdings 50–60%, Bitcoin and Ethereum your safest bets. Growth coins 30%. Emerging projects with high potential, for example, layer 2 solutions, gaming tokens. High risk, high reward 10–20%. Meme coins or new launches, but only what you can afford to lose. Step 3. Follow smart money. Track what institutional investors and whales are buying. Platforms like Glassnode or Nonson can help you monitor blockchain activity. Step 4. Dollar cost averaging DCA. Instead of trying to time the market, invest small, consistent amounts over time. It reduces risk and builds wealth steadily. Step 5. Stay ahead of trends. Look out for metaverse-related projects. Explore green cryptocurrencies, as sustainability is becoming crucial. Learn about decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, which are set to revolutionize governance. Let's talk about what not to do. Chasing hype. If everyone is talking about it, you're probably too late. Ignoring security. Always use cold wallets for long-term storage. Avoid leaving your assets on exchanges. Over-leveraging. Margin trading can wipe you out faster than you think. FOMO and panic selling. Emotion is your enemy. Stick to your plan. You'll need the right tools. Exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken for secure transactions. Portfolio trackers. Apps like CoinGecko or Delta to monitor your investments. News and analysis. Stay updated with Cointelegraph, Decrypt, and Twitter crypto influencers. That's your blueprint for getting rich with crypto in 2025. The opportunities are massive, but success depends on preparation, discipline, and the ability to adapt. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights into crypto, personal finance, and investing. And now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite crypto project right now? Drop a comment below, and let's discuss.